Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever thought about starting your own all-in-one fan model business but just don't have the time to chat with followers all day? Or maybe selling content and keeping up with fans is not really your thing. What if you could automate the entire process from chatting and promoting to making real money, all while you sleeps? Sounds unreal, right? But that's exactly what dFans claims to offer. So how does it actually works? Is it really that simple to set up? Can an AI chatbot truly help you sell content automatically? In this video, I am going to take you through it step by step from creating your account and setting up your AI chat assistant to uploading content and getting the first sale. So let's see how it works. So link of dFans is available in the video description. So let's dive in. Once you click the link in the description, you will be taken straight to the dFans dashboard. Right away you will notice how clean and user-friendly the interface is. To get started, just click the Become a Creator button and you can sign up using your email or directly with your Google account. I will go ahead and choose the Google option, and after sign up, you will land on the dashboard. From here you will need to fill in some basic detail like a username, country and region. You will also be asked to select the type of content you plan to create. This could be gaming, music, dancing, fitness or anything else. And you can add a link to your other fan page like fan view or OnlyFans. Then select how you can find dFan option include Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook and more. I will go ahead and choose the YouTube platform. There's also an optional invitation code section and you can leave it blank or enter a code if you have one. Once all that's done, click the submit button and you will see a pop-up saying your creator account has been approved. It's that quick and easy. Click on the create subscription types button to move on the next step. Now let's talk about setting up your profile. This is your public facing creator identity, so it's important to personalize it. You can start by uploading a profile image and entering your display name and writing a short headline or bio about yourself. You will also need to set your location. Once that complete, it's time to create your first subscription tier. To create your subscription tier, click on the subscription tier button. On the subscription tier page, enter a title, for example, social media marketing. Then set the price per month. I will be used $30 per month. Next, add the tier benefit. This is where you let your subscribers who what they I will receive. Once everything is filled out, click save to lock in your settings. Next we have the promotional bundle, and down below we have the subscription bundle section. Add a discount. I will go with 15% and then set the duration, for example 3 months. Once that's done, hit the save button and just like that you will create your profile, your subscription tier and your first promotional offer. Everything is set up and ready to start earning. After completing your subscription trial setup, click the save button to continue. Now let's move on to the chat tab. This is where you will find some powerful feature to enhance communication with your fans. First you can restrict message access to only paid subscribers to toggling don't allow messages from the free followers. You can also send a welcome message to your new fans. Just type your message, for example, welcome to my page. Next, you will see the option to start your AI chatbot companion trial. This feature lets you create an AI persona that's chat and sell content for you. And the best part, it's powered by dFans and run completely free using USDT credits to create AI bot. Simply add your name, select your gender, add your birthday. These options are optionally. If you want, you can fill these info and otherwise skip it. Finally, hit the save button. Now let's upload your paid photo so your AI chatbot can sell them during conversation. Click upload, then choose the image you want to sell, add a title and set the price, and finally hit the save button. Your content is now ready to offered by a chatbot automatically during the chats. Click on the home tab where you will see several management tools like messages. Messages button lets you manage your chat views. Collection button shows your current stats like the number of purchases, fans, followers and blog users. You can also manage your post here. Next we have the My Wallet tab. There you can track all your earning inside my wallet. You can see your wallet address along the balances in USDT, Ethereum and SOL. Next we have Vault tab. You can check it out. Statics tab and more tab. In the more section we have different features. You can try these one by one. So lastly, don't forget to check out the more tab to explore additional features. So dFans is a powerful and easy to use platform ideal for creators who want to automate chat, sell content effortlessly and manage their entire fan business from one place. And that's it for today's video. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.